No, cats hate water. So does Tom's brother, but here he is, trying to wash his hair. Going from his memory of the map he had studied on the boat, that could be Loch Linnhe. Wish I'd brought that map now. That was silly of me. Watch the road. Toby's heart jumped as the van ahead suddenly braked when the road swung through a series of sharp bends and then started to climb. He had to concentrate hard, shouting and sweating as he cried. Toby decided to sing to keep awake. 5 fat sausages. As they drove, Toby became aware of, I think this might be. Toby became mountains.